talk to you about these faucet plugs here. They do such a good job of keeping the inside of our faucets nice and clean. You can see that there's a little bit of debris. They do kind of change colors. They start as a white nylon fiber there, but as they get dirty, they do kind of get a little bit discolored. These have not been cleaned in a couple days, so you see a little bit of residue on there, but they do work out great. You can see that they fit into standard faucets. They also fit into nitro faucets or stout tip faucets. They do stick out a little bit in the stout tip faucets, but they still provide a nice little seal in there. The fibers do kind of fall down because they're sitting inside the much tighter space of the nitro faucet. These have been great. We love being able to provide these to our customers as well, home clients, that these things work out great in. So we definitely recommend these faucet plugs. I think you're gonna find great use of them too, and just be able to keep any foreign debris out of there, fruit flies from being able to go up in there. They keep everything just cleaner because every time you pull it out, it gives a little scrubbing motion there inside the faucet. So it just keeps everything much cleaner. And that's definitely an important thing when you have a draft system. Here's what one looks like clean. But after a little bit of use, they do start getting a little discolored, but they clean up real easily. You can actually use two brushes to clean themselves. So if you have two on site there, you can use them to scrub each other inside of a sink, but they do work great. They last a very long time as well. The nylon fibers are very robust, so I think you're gonna find a lot of great use out of these as well.